Hello students, in today's session of current electricity, further concepts on this topic will be cleared through illustration taken from JEE Main 2025. In earlier session we have gone through all very basics, going to be very useful for all the concerned, that is who are preparing for 11th standard, 12th standard, JEE Main, NEET and other entrance examination. These are also very important. In this case, illustrations were taken from JEE Main PYQs, and in this case, this paper has been solved and is available on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. Or you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers with detailed solutions and with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. These are the playlists on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. All topics have been cleared through illustration. Concerned may visit there and have the review on Sethi Swift Learn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल Sethi Swift Learn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concept. Question is, a wire of length 25 meter and cross section area 5 mm square having resistive of 2 into 10 to the minus 6 mm ohm meter is bent into a complete circle. The resistance between diametrically opposite points will be. Four options are given to. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable. You know, R equal to rho L upon A. For a given wire, जो wire दे दी means for given wire R proportional to length as rho and A is constant. As rho and A is constant. Right? Now, ये सर्कल है A B. We have to find RAB. A and B are the points diametrically opposite. Means this is the diameter. Whatever the length was there, so length L by 2 ये होगी, L by 2 ये होगी, L by 2 ये. If resistance was R, तो R by 2 ये होगा, R by 2 ये होगा. This is equivalent to parallel combination of two resistance, A point, B point, R by 2, R by 2. And RAB will be equal to parallel combination product upon sum, that R by 4. That is 1 by 4 rho L upon A. Rho L upon A. So this comes out to be 1 by 4. Rho is given to you 2 into 10 to the minus 6. 10 to the minus 6. L is given to you 5 m. L 5 mm square. 5 into 10 to the minus 6 meter square हो जाएगा. And length is 25 meter. 25 meter, right? On simplification, this comes out to be this comes out to be 10 upon 4, that is 2.5 ohm. 2.5 ohm. Nothing is the correct answer. Answer is 2.5 ohm. None of the option is given to you. So our answer is 2.5 ohm. Right? Next question. Question is, current passing through wire as a function of time is given by I is a function of time that is equal to 0.0 t plus 0.01 ampere. The charge that will flow through the wire from t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 seconds. Four options are given to one of the questions, correct? Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Now, concept applicable solution is I equal to dq by rate of change of current is the current. Now, one is differentiation, one is integration. If mathematical term comes out to be product, then think of integration. If ratio, think of differentiation. Basic concept. We have to dq equal to I dt. I is a function of time 0.02 t plus 0.01 dt integrating t equal to 1 to 2. That is dq. Initially 0, then 2 to this, right? So this comes out to be q will be equal to 0.02 t square by 2 1 to 2 plus 0.01 t 1 to 2. That is 1 by 2 into 0.02 into 4 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 0.01 into 2 minus 1. On further simplification, this two goes to 0.03 plus 0.01, that is 0.04. B option is the 0.04 coulomb. B option is correct option. B option is correct. B option is correct. Right? Next question. Question is, from the combination resistors with resistance R1, R2, R3, each of 5 ohm, and R4 equal to 10 ohm, which of the following combination is best circuit to get an equivalent resistance of 6 ohm? Four options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable in series. Answer is R equivalent greater than the maximum value जो भी है. In parallel, answer is R equivalent is less than the least. दो तीन चार पैरेलल में कनेक्ट कर दो तो पैरेलल की कॉम्बिनेशन की वैल्यू आएगी लेस देन 2 आएगी. उसमें क्या आएगी 2 + 3 + 4 उससे ग्रेटर है, greater than the max. Now in this case, these are all parallel combinations. तो लेस वैल्यू इसकी 5 है, इसका आंसर जो आएगा लेस देन 5 आएगा. इसमें R3 है, इसकी वैल्यू 5 है, इसका आंसर भी लेस देन 5 आएगा. इसमें R4 है, इसकी वैल्यू R4 है, ये 5 है, तो लेस देन 5 आएगा इसका. हमें आंसर चाहिए 6. तो बाय कॉमन सेंस दिस इज द पॉसिबल आंसर. यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट in parallel combination, final answer of equivalent resistance is less than the least value. In this case, least value is 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm. The answer will be less than 5 ohm. Now, this first is the possible R1, R2. R1 plus R2, 5 plus 5, 10 ohm. R3 plus R4, 5 plus 10, 15 ohm. 5 plus 10, 15 ohm. Then R equivalent, R parallel equivalent will be product upon sum 10 upon 15 divided by 10 plus 15. That is 10 into 15 divided by just this. We get 6 ohm. Less than that. Less than क्या था इसमें? just से कम मिल गया मैं, so that is the answer. B is the A is the correct option. I have given the complete concept here. Right? Next question. Question is, which of the following resistivity versus temperature suitable to be used in wire-wound standard resistance? 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Resistivity and temperature of a resistor are connected rho T, rho 0, 1 plus alpha delta T. Coefficient of linear expansion means as temperature increases, rho increases. Temperature increases, and it is a linear function of temperature. यानी कि resistivity is linear function of temperature. Right? This is the temperature. Delta T कह लो, T कह लो कुछ भी. So initially rho 0 पे, तो A is the correct option. A is the correct option. Right? Next question. Question is, identify the valid statement relevant to the given circuit at an instant when the key is closed. This circuit contains resistors, capacitor, battery, key. When key is closed, when key is closed, current will start flowing, circuit will be closed, and in the steady state, after some time, capacitor will become open circuit, current will not flow, right? But initially, as it will close, current will flow through this. There will be maximum current in the connecting wires, correct. There will be no current through the resistor, this is wrong. Potential difference across the capacitor is minimum. Charge on the capacitor plates is minimum. When it is conducting, charge will be minimum. So B, C, D are the correct option. C option is the correct, because when the capacitor is fully charged, then we have like an open circuit, no current will flow. But initially when it is closed, current will start flowing, and these 3 factors will be correct one. So C option is the correct option, right? Next question. Question is, a wire of resistance R is bent into an equilateral triangle and an identical wire of bent into a square. The ratio between the 2 endpoints of an edge of a triangle to that of the square is. 4 options are given to one of the options. That question is taken from JEE Main 2025. In both the cases, wire is of identical. Wire is identical and are having same resistance. R रेजिस्टेंस इसका, एक लेंथ ये ली हमने, एक लेंथ ये ली, इसको रीशेप किया इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में. एज R प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ, तो R/3 स्क्वायर में शेप किया, तो दिस विल बिकम R/4, right? Now we have to find AB, RAB, equilateral over RAB square will be equal to, इस केस में क्या है, इन दोनों का सम होगा 2R/3 प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम, 2R/3 into r by 3 upon 2r by 3 plus r by 3 upon, in this case, 3r by 4 into r by 4 upon 3r by 4 plus r by 4. On simplification, this comes out to be 2 by 9 upon 3 by 4. That comes out to be 2 by 9 upon 3 by 4. 2 by 9. Or 2r by 3, 2r by 3 into r by 3 upon 3r by 4, 3r by 4. So this comes out to be 3 by 16. This is 3 by 16. So this comes out to be 32 by 27. 32 by B option is the correct option. B option is the correct option. इसमें क्या किया? Using the concept R proportional to the length if the wires are identical. इसका रेजिस्टेंस R है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस R है, इसको रीशेप किया, इसको रीशेप किया, इन दोनों के बीच हमने निकालना था इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. तो करंट फ्लो करो, ये सीरीज हो गया, ये इसके पैरेलल में हो गया. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम, ये लगा दिया हमने. सिमिलरली R by 2 ये सीरीज हो गया, ये पैरेलल हो गया. प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम 3r by 4 into r by 4, 3r by 4. तो सिंप्लीफाई करके ये 32 by 7 आंसर ऑफ बी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Sethi Swift Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेठी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, find the equivalent resistance between two ends of the following circuit. Four options are given to you. One of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. In this case, we can redraw the circuit. This is R, this is R, this is R. One is wire this thing, one is wire this thing. R by 3, R by 3, R by 3. Right? इसकी nomenclature कर दी A, B, C. It means A and C are at same potential. Are at same potential. Means they are connected through wire. Similarly, B and A, B, C and D. B and D are at same potential. A and C and B and C. So redraw the wire. R by 3, ये A है, ये D है. फिर लिया हमने D और C, ये भी R by 3 है, R by 3. ये C है, ये D है। फिर लिया हमने C और B, ये C है, ये B है, तो दिस इज R/3 मीन्स कॉम्बिनेशन विल बिकम लाइक दिस, कॉम्बिनेशन बिकम्स, तो इसका इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट ये बना, तो इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट रेजिस्टेंस will be parallel combination of R/3, parallel R/3, parallel R/3. That is R/9. R/9. That is the answer. Let's see the answer. B is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, in the figure shown below, a resistance of 150.4 ohm is connected in series to a emitter of resistance 240 ohm. A shunt of resistance 10 ohm is connected in parallel with the meter. The reading of the meter will be equal to I1, I2, 240 ohm, 10 ohm. I1 will be equal to, if flow I 10 upon 10 plus 240 into I, right? Now I will be, that is current drawn from the battery equal to applied EMF equal to R equivalent. R equivalent कितना होगा? 150.4 प्लस इन दोनों का पैरेलल प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम 240 into 10, 240 into 10 upon 240 plus 10. On simplification, 150.4 plus 9.6, this comes out to be 160 ohm. So current drawn from the cell will be 20 upon 160, that is 1 by 8 ampere. Or you can say 1000 divided by 8, that is 125 milliampere. Answer. Right? That case, I1 will be equal to, that is current through a meter will be equal to 10 divided by 250 into 125. This comes out to be 5 milliampere. This is the answer. One method is this one, other is voltage distribution वाले method से भी हम कर सकते हैं, right? So its answer is 5 milliampere. 5 milliampere is the current drawn from the current. The reading of the meter will be 5 milliampere, right? Next question. Question is, the net current flowing in the given circuit is, answer should be ampere. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Observe the circuit carefully. Battery, resistance, this is the capacitor. We should know the behavior of capacitor. In a steady state, capacitor will behave as open circuit. In the open circuit, the resistance will, this is open, so only this will have no meaning. Means 2 volt, 2 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, and 4 ohm. 4 ohm. This is the 2 volt. Since these are combinations parallel, the resultant of this will product upon sum 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. 18 divided by 9, that is 2. So this will become in parallel with this. 2 plus 2, 4 हो गया. This will equal to 2. So 4 parallel 4, that is 2 ohm. 4 parallel 4, 2. Therefore, what we have to find out? Net current flowing in the given circuit. Net current flowing in the circuit is equal to applied EMF upon R equivalent. R equivalent is 2 divided by 2, that is 1 ampere. That is 1 ampere. This is the answer. We have to fill in the blanks here. 1 ampere. 1 ampere, right? Next question. Question is, at a steady state, the charge of the capacitor as shown in the circuit below is. Answer should be in microcoulomb. Question taken from JEE Main 2025. We know in steady state capacitor wave as open circuit. Open circuit. Capacitor wave as open circuit. So VC will be equal to V 10 ohm resistance. VC will be equal to voltage across VC will be equal to this ohm, right? And C equal to Q by V, so Q equal to CV. C is down 8 into V put करना हमने. V put करते हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. To find the V, R equivalent will be equal to 10 plus 15, 25 ohm. Current down from the battery 5 divided by 25, that is 1 by 5 ampere, 1 by 5 ohm, 1 by 5 ampere, 1 by 5 ampere. Then voltage across 10 ohm resistance will be equal to I into R. Series voltage current is same, 10 into 1 by 5, that is 2 volt. Therefore, ये यहाँ put कर दिया, that is 60 microcoulomb. 16 microcoulomb is the answer. 16 microcoulomb is the answer, right? My question. Question is, the wire resistance 9 ohm is bent in the form of equilateral triangle. Then the equivalent resistance across any two volts will be in ohm. We have to have in ohm. Will be. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. As R equal to rho L upon A. R proportional to length means total wire length है 9 ohm. इसको reshape किया A B C 3 ohm ये बन जाएगा, 3 ohm ये बन जाएगा, 3 ohm ये बन जाएगा, right? Because that बाकी parameter same है. In that case, we have to find RBC and it RBC. RBC में ये series combination हो गया, will be equal to 3 plus 3 parallel 3, that is 6 parallel 3, that is 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. On further simplification, 18 upon 9, that is 2 ohm. R equivalent is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Fill in the blanks is 2 ohm, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.